It's our final week of our So Steady 6 weeks of deals, and we are ending strong this week with one of our absolute favorites, the So Steady Grid Glider. This fan favorite tool transforms your sewing surface into a slick surface for you to have your fabric glide smoothly every time. No snags, no drags, just smooth controlled stitching every single time. Plus, a built-in measurements on the glider itself, so it will help you stay perfectly aligned for more accurate seams and flawless piecing on all of your sewing projects. And this week only, when you add a So Steady Grid Glider to your cart, we are giving you a free polish kit to keep your table ready to have any project glide through that needle area with ease. Ideal for free motion, template quilting, or really any sewing surface where you want your fabric to move freely. It's the perfect upgrade for every quilter and sewer who loves precision and a clean, smooth sewing surface for any kind of setup. Want to win big this week? Like, comment, and share on this video to enter. Buy the featured product for bonus entries, and don't forget to sign up for our weekly prize giveaway. Now, in addition to that, we are going to give you your last chance to sign up for our big grand prize, which is happening Tuesday, December 9th, this coming Tuesday at 10 a.m. So you need to sign up for the enter to win on the grand prize before then. This is huge. This is a So Steady wish table like you see right here with one of our travel and project bags and our smartphone lounger, plus our Elevate quilt box. This amazing box right here, you can get it for our current quarter, or you can wait and get it for the next quarter that's releasing just on 2 weeks. That is a total value of over $875. So definitely want to take advantage of that if you can. Don't miss out. It's your final week to sign up for these deals, score these prizes, and don't forget to join us on Tuesday, December 9th, where we will have live giveaways. We'll be unveiling all of our new calendars and some new programs for 2026. And of course, you're going to have these bonus entries to win. So we hope to see you on December 9th at 10 a.m. during our customer appreciation event. Happy holidays.